Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Chuzhao Vintage Mini Digital Camera. And as you can see, it is a vintage camera designed to mimic or imitate the look of an old camera or a vintage style camera. As you can see, they claim that it is a retro TLR style camera. As you can see, the viewfinder, which is this one, which is the hole you look through. For example, in modern cameras, there's a small hole or a small glass that you look through to see the image. This is basically it. So it's from up top, similar to older cameras like Hasselblad's or other Nikon or old cameras or old Fujifilm cameras. And as you can see, they're rated 4.0, 4.2 out of 5 stars. And then they have 278 ratings. So if you scroll down here to the bottom, as you can see, highly recommend picking one up. Simple and fun, but good conversation piece. Not a professional camera, obviously, but so much fun. Who cares? Yeah, who cares? It's really good camera for a point and shoot. So a point and shoot camera is basically you point it and shoot it just like a phone. You don't need to edit the photos, unlike DSLRs or mirrorless cameras. So it's quirky and delightful. And if you go in here to Reddit, we can actually see the photos, which is actually pretty good, and they're actually pretty sharp. And the details, and they look really amazing. They really mimic the old vibe or the vintage vibe without having to edit the photos. So if you want to take vintage style photos or retro looking style photos, you should consider picking one of these up. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.